These ground beef and zucchini mini meatballs are perfect for any holiday party. This Beef It's What's for Dinner recipe is certified by the American Heart Association. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Combine 1 pound of 96% lean ground beef, 1 cup grated fresh zucchini, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper in a medium bowl, mixing lightly but thoroughly. Shape into 24 1-inch meatballs. Cut 2 red bell peppers and 2 green peppers into 1-inch pieces. Cut 1 small onion into 1-inch pieces. Alternatively, thread the meatballs, red peppers, green peppers, and onions onto each of the 12 6-inch skewers. Place the skewers on shallow rimmed baking sheet. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 22 to 25 minutes or until an instant read thermometer inserted into the center of the meatball registers 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, combine 1 16-ounce can whole berry cranberry sauce and 3 tablespoons barbecue sauce in a medium saucepan. Simmer 5 minutes or until the flavors are blended. Drizzle the sauce over the skewers or serve as a dipping sauce. For this recipe and other delicious beef recipes, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.